What is going on, everyone? What is going on, everyone? It is MotoMiracle, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a latch lever for the HoldFast Sissy bar. Obviously, as you can tell, it fell off over here. The bumpy roads, I didn't put Loctite on it, so obviously that's what happened. But so we're gonna put Loctite in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one off, see where all the washers and all the bolt, and see like what it looks like, so we can do the same thing on this side, because there is no instructions on this one. So we're gonna get a new lever, new everything, latch lever, and we're gonna put the Loctite on this, Loctite on that, and that's what we're gonna do today. So it's gonna be a quick video because I'm just gonna screw it in, screw it out, very simple. So I had the kitty, got the kitty here, is Jax. Then we got my puppy, Bryce, over there. So yeah, I mean, if this ever falls off, this breaks or whatever, I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So anyways, let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey too through my eyes. Alright, so let's go replace this. Actually, we're not doing that first. First, what we're going to do is going to take this one out. We're going to take it out, and so I can see what the parts look like. You are going to need a hex bit with a 1/8 hex to get this to get these out. You're going to get this, and we'll get some work done. Alright, let's go. All right, so when we take these out, we're gonna make sure there's the bolt, and the nut in the washer, bolt in the washer. Sorry. Oh, there's two actually. Okay, there's two of them. It's a bigger one and a smaller one. A bigger one and a smaller one. Then we're gonna take this out. Okay, and then there's like that. So at least we know what that looks like, you know? We get some Loctite on this now. Loctite this up. So remember, it's the bigger one, the bigger washer, and then the smaller washer. And then this one, it's gotta be pointing, it's at a curve, you see it? Make that point out. So you put that in like that first, right? Point it out. Now we're gonna get the lever. So you're gonna pop it out, put it back in. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So basically now, so when that works, obviously you can tell it works now, right? All right, so let's see what we got in this box. Sorry for being all messy. So we have the small washer, the bigger washer, and we have the curved washer, and then we have the bolt. So we've got that, and then we've got, for $25, yeah. All I needed was a bolt, really. But then there's an extra piece. But I'm gonna save this for later if this, I get an accident, it breaks, whatever, because this one's still good. This one still works. So I'll save that, put in the garage for later. So we just did it the same way. We're just gonna do the same exact thing. Let's go open these pieces. Man, I'm gonna do these reviews, I'm gonna do these how-tos a lot easier, which is right now I don't have a space really to get it done, so this is the first time I'm doing it. So give me a little break, you know? Capiche? All right, so got the small bolt, then we got the two washers, and then the curved washer. Obviously, you're gonna put the curved washer in first. Hopefully you can see. Remember, the curved part goes out. Now, when it gets some Loctite, you can get this at any probably you get this at Walmart, any AutoZone. Remember, get the bigger washer first, and then get the smaller washer. You're gonna put that in. All right. So remember, when you put it down, you want to put it down like this. This is not gonna work. You want it like this. Make sure the loop on the bottom. All right, so obviously you can see, if I flip it, see, it's locked, it's not going anywhere. Put it up here, locked. So that's actually very simple. Now I have an extra part in case something breaks, it breaks, you know. It is a pain in the butt because technically all I needed was a bolt. So, and it's probably get one that's like $1 at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, but like I said, having extra piece parts is good, you know. So I got that done. And like I said, this is called the kit for the backrest latch lever. So it was $25 altogether. Very simple. I probably made it look harder than it actually is, but whatever. Hey, I'm new at this, you know. I'm new at this install things, and with doing the videos and everything, man, I need a camera guy for this stuff. All right, anyways, if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you have future notifications. Until next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, it's Bryce, and it was Jax, I don't know where he is, and we're out of here.